If you keep buying Cricut SVG files that almost match your idea, stop. The faster move is to make the cut file yourself. In this video, I will show you how to use SVG Genie as a Cricut SVG maker, so you can turn a simple prompt into a clean, editable SVG for shirts, stickers, signs, decals, mugs, and craft projects in seconds. The normal craft workflow is usually slow. You search marketplaces, download a bundle, realize the lettering is wrong, the shapes are messy, the colors do not fit, or the license is confusing. Then you still have to clean the file before Cricut Design Space behaves. SVG Genie changes the starting point. Instead of hunting for a pre-made file, describe the design you want, the phrase mood, object, border, colors, and style. The output is an SVG, which means real vector shapes instead of a flat screenshot. The YouTube results around Cricut SVG files are packed with tutorials for Canva, Inkscape, image converters, and Design Space uploads. Useful, but most of them still make you stitch together a workflow. The gap is simple: prompt once, get a clean SVG master, then upload that file. For Cricut work, SVG is the right source format because it stores shapes, paths, fills, and groups. That gives you crisp edges, stealable artwork, cleaner layers, easier color changes, and a file that can become a shirt graphic today and a sticker tomorrow. Here is the prompt: cozy coffee, mama shirt design, hand-lettered phrase, simple mug icon, 2 colors, thick shapes, clean editable SVG, transparent background, cut-friendly. Notice the constraints. I am asking for simple vector structure, not a photographic image. A few seconds later, SVG Genie gives me multiple directions. I can pick the design with the strongest silhouette, the cleanest lettering balance, and the fewest tiny details. That matters because craft cutters hate fragile little bits that peel, tear, or disappear. Cut Ready does not mean every project is one click forever. It means the file starts from the right kind of geometry. You want bold shapes, limited colors, enough spacing between parts, and outlines that will survive weeding, vinyl, paper, cardstock, or sticker production. If you need layered SVGs, prompt for separated color areas and simple fills. Keep the palette small. A 2 or 3 color design is much easier to cut, align, and press than a busy AI image with gradients, shadows, and dozens of tiny fragments. This works for more than one craft aesthetic. Try retro badge, farmhouse sign, bold monoline, kid's birthday shirt, pet memorial decal, teacher gift, wedding favor, holiday ornament, or minimalist sticker. Same workflow, different prompt. After generation, keep the SVG as the master. Open it in Cricut Design Space, Inkscape, Illustrator, Figma, or any SVG editor. Change colors, delete a detail, resize the design, add a name, or simplify parts before you cut. This is the big difference. A PNG is a picture of your craft design. An SVG is the craft design. When you zoom, resize, recolor, or separate parts, the SVG still has clean source shapes underneath. Use this for custom shirts, tote bags, vinyl decals, stickers, labels, party decorations, printable signs, mugs, ornaments, classroom projects, planner icons, and small business. Ooh, product drops. If the final job needs crisp edges, start with SVG. Avoid the classic Cricut mistakes. Do not prompt for realistic photos. Do not ask for tiny lace level detail on a small decal. Do not use 10 colors when 2 will cut cleaner. Do not flatten your only source file into a PNG before the design is finished. The workflow is simple. Generate the idea in SVG Genie, download the SVG, inspect or simplify it if needed, upload it to Cricut Design Space, then export PNG or PDF only for preview, listing images, or print workflows. SVG stays the master. This topic has a real opening because the search results are still mostly conversion tutorials and software walkthroughs. SVG Genie gives crafters a cleaner promise. Make the custom SVG first, then use your normal Cricut workflow with a better source file. You can try SVG Genie free with no credit card required. After that, credit packs start at $9 with no subscription to cancel. For a batch of shirt ideas, sticker concepts, or seasonal craft files, that is cheaper and faster than buying a pile of almost right downloads. So stop buying cut files that almost spit. Go to svggenie.com, use SVG Genie as your Cricut SVG maker, and generate custom cut-friendly SVGs from a prompt. Make the file. Keep the vector. Cut something that is actually yours.